What's up guys, how you doing, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is dedicated to risk management, and I also open some trades and make some money, so make sure you watch this video to the end because you're gonna get a lot of interesting information from this video. And as always, and if you have any questions, you can ask me on Telegram. You'll find the link to my Telegram in the description below this video, and also the link to my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. Make sure to check these links below and to sign up for PocketOption and to get 50% bonus on your deposit. Make sure to text me today on Telegram to get the registration link. And without further ado, let us get straight to trading. Before we start, let me change the currency pair we have right now because the payout here is 77%, and I'll choose the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar currency pair because it has the highest payout amongst these currency pairs. And I'm gonna keep the M2 time frame and the technical indicators. We have the Donkin channel, the Williams R%, and the Arun indicator. So let's get going, guys. Based on the signals we had, I opened an up trade for $400 for 1 minute. And the blue line of the Arun indicator, which is responsible for the uptrend, if you guys remember, was at the level of 100, and the red line was at the level of 0, and this is a strong signal about a possible rise in price, or the uptrend is stronger than the downtrend. So let's analyze the rest of the signals. And the Williams line was between the levels 0 and 20, which is called the overbought zone, and it reached the maximum value. And this confirmed as well the signal from the Arun indicator. And finally, the price broke through the upper limits of the Donkin indicator and continued to grow, and this indicated a possible increase in price. So 3 signals, guys, confirmed. While the trade is on, let's start our topic of today, which is risk management. Risk management is decisions made to reduce the possibility of a bad result and minimize possible losses. We're gonna get more into that later. Our trade is closing, and our trade closed a profit added to my account $364. So what's a bad result for us? A bad result is, of course, when you lose your money, all right? And we know how to deal with it mathematically. This is called money management. But what about the psychological part of it? Because for us, losses are emotionally much more important than earnings. Because when you earn $100, emotionally, you perceive it with ease. And when you lose $100, it's way different. And who can accept a loss, right? Losses have far more impact than earnings. But we'll get deeper into that a little bit later. We're looking for an entry point. And I open a down trade for $400 for 1 minute. And first of all, the price growth slowed down, as you can see on the chart. And the second thing is that the Williams line began to move down, and this gave me a signal about a possible price decline, and that's why I opened this trade. Now let's continue our topic, and I want to ask you the question, why are losses emotionally harder than earnings? Because you start trading to earn tens of thousands of dollars, don't you? After all, you need an apartment, a car, pay off loans, and when you earn $100, your subconscious mind tells you, $100? Not a big deal. I need $50,000 to get a new car. What is $100, right? Nothing. Well, it's nice, but so little. That's what your mind tells you. Guys, don't let it play you. All right, so let's get going. But let's flip it here. What if you lose this $100? Especially if you're not a rich guy and you have a small account. It'll hurt you pretty hard. Okay, and our trade is closing. Okay, our trade closed with a refund. We didn't make a profit, but we didn't lose anything either. So when you receive this wide range of various negative feelings, you would want to get rid of this unpredictable feeling as quickly as possible. So you will spit on money management, forget about the risks, full strong emotions, suffering from losses. You will do anything to recover that money, and you will lose your entire capital, and money management alone is not enough here. Emotions are too strong within us, and therefore psychological risk management will come to the rescue. And that's why I made this video about risk management. Okay, getting back to trading. I saw a confirmation of the previous signal, and I opened the down trade for $400 for 1 minute, and as you see, the price is starting a correction and the Williams line is crossing the 20 level, and all this indicated a possible price decline. So let's see this time. All right, let's get back to our topic, and there are 4 methods of risk management. the method of risk avoidance, which is the rejection of two risky activities. The second thing is risk reduction, risk transfer, and risk retention. As for the first one, the risk avoidance method, we do not risk more than 5% of our balance. And the retention method, only if we have a sufficient deposit and a big account, for example, we do not risk more than 1% or even less than 1% of our entire capital, okay? Only if we have a big account. And our trade is closing, and our trickles of profit added to my account, $364. We keep going. Let's look for the next entry point into our next trade and continue with our topic. So the risk transfer is conducted through trading robots, which partially removes the psychological burden from us because it's not like you're losing money, but it's your robot that's doing so. However, when it starts generating profits, this makes it a highly valuable robot. And finally, the method of reduction, we diversify our tools, adapting our system to different market conditions. Alright, so we're almost there. Here's the right moment, and I opened an up trade for $400 for 1 minute. And the signal from the Arun indicator has not changed since the beginning of our trade. And it shows a possible price increase so far. But now the Williams line with a decrease in price occupies a horizontal position, which indicates a possible increase in price as well. So that's why I opened an up trade. Now we cannot interfere with our trade, so let's get back to our conversation. And what to do with the deposit now is clear to you. Now, what can we do with our emotions? So they are so stormy, unpredictable, and in trading, you have to know that psychological traps are waiting for you around every corner. Whether it's a psychological deposit limit or a relentless feeling to recover a loss. So to help ourselves, we need a system of money management, okay? A psychological money management system. And our trade is closing. We're gonna get back to our topic later. And our trade is closing. And our trade cost of profit added to my account, $364. We keep going. So there are methods for controlling your emotions in trading. It's pretty resilient, and my advice to you is to stop trading for a few hours or even a day after 3 to 4 unsuccessful trades in a row. Or you can go to make 2 to 3 successful trades on a demo account and then return to your real account. You can try it, okay? And a down trade for $400 for 1 minute. And the Williams line is going down, which indicates a possible decline in price. But the blue Arun line is still at a high level, which indicates the opposite. But I think that the price has touched on the resistance level of the Donchian channel, and I suppose that a correction should happen now. So let's see how our trade is going to end. Now let's get back to the rules I just mentioned. Are they simple? They are very simple, and they are extremely effective. But you have no idea how difficult it is for most to follow them, because they really want to recover their lost trades. And what does a beginner do when he loses his money in 3 to 4 unsuccessful trades in a row? Okay, ask yourself, what will you do? You would feel bad, you are sick of it, and you want to get rid of that feeling as quickly as possible. Now, I'm still waiting for your answer. What will you do? And our trade is closing, you have no time, and our trickles of profit added to my account, $364. Are you ready to answer? Okay, you want to recover the losses, you take trading for a game, and now tell me this, you were wrong 3 times in a row. You don't understand the market, and what makes you think that the following trades will be successful? Based on what? You're not sure at all, you feel emotionally bad, the child inside of you is crying and wants his toy back, and you want to return the numbers you had on your account. That's all your motivations. The only chance to escape in this situation is to stop. Stop this psychological nonsense and save yourself from losing even more. Can you? So the market won over you this time and you lost. And professionals know how to put up with losses. But unfortunately, amateurs don't. It is what it is, guys. It's sad, it's frustrating, but you have to put up with it and you have to stop. Let's get back to trading. As you can see right now, the price is rising and it reached the maximum again and it's stopping. And at this point, let me open a down trade for $400 for 1 minute. And I made this trade despite the signals from my indicators, which indicated the growth of price. Let me tell you why, right? So guys, in binary options, you fix the percentage of your risks from the very beginning. Still, after 3 to 4 unsuccessful trades in a row, you need to stop. Most do not know how to do this, but this is what distinguishes a professional from an amateur. A pro knows that money can be lost in the market. Always. Even if you work for 10 years, you still lose money. You just learn how to accept it, use your skills to earn even more than what you've lost. That's how it works. That's what the market is all about. You lose, you stop, use your skills to earn even more. And you have to know this, losses are always followed by profits. Okay, it's like a cycle, that's the market, guys. And if you are losing, it's important to make this unprofitable marathon stop. And our trade closed a profit, added to my account $364. We get going. And as you can see, the price is actively declining, and I don't want to miss this opportunity, so I'm gonna make a down trade again for $400 for 1 minute. And in order not to waste time, we will continue our topic. So after 3 to 4 unsuccessful trades in a row, you need to stop trading for at least an hour. Do not approach the chart at all for a couple of hours to calm down emotionally, sort out mistakes, and after a few hours, make several predictions just based on the chart on a demo account, okay? And only after 2 to 3 successful predictions in a row on the demo account, return to your real account and proceed with your trading. And you can come up with your own rules, but the trading stop must be mandatory, without exception. This is the whole point of risk management. You stop when it's bad so that it does not get even worse, much worse, because non-compliance with these rules kills not only your deposit but also your self-confidence. Now, getting back to our trade, it's closing. All right, and our trade was a profit added to my account, $364, and this is the end of our today's trading session. Let's get to the results. So today, and in 11 minutes, we made 7 trades. 6 of them were successful, 1 ended with a refund. All right, nevertheless, we managed to make $2,184, which is an excellent result. Tell me what you think down in the comments. And we discussed risk management today, and that it will calm your greed and emotions. And you've learned that when you were able to keep your money safe in an extremely difficult market condition, when it was clearly going against you and your predictions, one important thing happened. You saved your money. Therefore, saving money is a key task of a trader. So I hope this video was useful and it will help you make more money on binary options. But remember, if you don't have enough experience before opening any trade, guys, study the market situation very carefully and use technical indicators to reduce your risks to the minimal levels, okay? And always plan over the long run. And I also advise you to continue studying binary options and technical analysis. And as you saw today, technical analysis in binary options is not complicated at all. And if you would have any questions, you can ask me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram is in the description below this video. And also the link to my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals, and I also run weekly marathons to increase your capital from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. Make sure to check these links down below, and to sign up for PocketOption and to get 50% bonus on your deposit, make sure to text me today on Telegram to get the registration link. And if you like this video, please consider giving it a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new video. That's been it for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.